say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind to go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi.
If you're new here, please do subscribe and join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. I hope you can hear me, guys, because you're next to the window. And so today it's a Friday. It's around 26 past 5, and I have an unboxing for you guys. I think on this video you're gonna have more unboxing, but I will see. So I have this package. I ordered clothes from this girl. Sells clothes from Shein. I ordered a jumpsuit. It's from Shein. I don't know. I'm not sure the clothes she sells. It's from Shein or what. I'm not sure which ones are like. Oh yeah, it's an open bag. It's not gonna be big, but I think this one is big. But it's a size medium. It's an open bag, and then you see, guys, I'm gonna show you my outfit tomorrow. I'm going out for lunch with someone, so I will show you the whole outfit. But I think I like it, but I think it's big because I don't have titties. But it's a one, and it's a, what do you call this? What do you call this kind of pants with? No, open leg like this.
Bootleg.
Eh? Bootleg. Bootleg. Okay. My boyfriend said bootleg. I don't know, but yeah, we used to call it palazzo. So yeah, I hope it's gonna fit me. I hope. I will show you tomorrow. Don't worry, I got this. And then this is for my sister. She got this. What is this? The 2-piece, I think. Color blocking, yo. This top, it's nice. Wow, it's nice. And I already told her it's a 2-piece. Why? Hi, my sister. And she won't give it to me, sure. She won't. But it's nice. This top, just pink, size medium. And this. I think she's gonna love it, but yeah. The color blocks. Maybe she's gonna like it. I don't know. But it's too colorful for me. Too colorful. But I love the top. It's a nice top. I love it.
Talking the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind to go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly.
today I'm just gonna show you the jumpsuit that I was unboxing on Friday. Today is Sunday. Here it is, and it's a size medium, but it's too tight. It's too tight, and like I don't want to think about buying large, because there's no way I can wear large. No ways. I know I have gained weight, but large, that's big enough. So I'm just gonna fit it, and then I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna end this vlog today and upload it. I'm going to Mamelodi. Yeah, then I'm gonna start a new vlog. So I'm just gonna show you this. So my next vlog, you will see me wearing this jumpsuit the whole day. Yeah, the whole day. So let me try it on. So maybe I'm close. Guys, here's the jumpsuit. As you can see, I cried. Yes, I have to lose weight. Do you see? Do you see? Even here, like it's tight. Like you can see my titties. They are not comfortable. But anyway, I need to lose weight. So guys, cheers to this video. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Please do subscribe and comment down below. What else? I wanted to say so much, but I will say everything I want to say on my next video. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. Anyways, bye guys.
You my vibe. Them no pick you my vibe. Them no pick you. Them no pick you. Them no pick you my. Why is